So tell me, what do you know about goji berries? What's up everybody, welcome back to Edible Knowledge, giving you the what's what of food from around the world. Alright, so let's get into goji berries. Also known as wolfberries, many people are calling these another superfruit. These berries are long, bright orange-red colored, and are actually from two closely related plants, Lycium chinense and Lycium barbarum. I may or may not have pronounced those wrong. They're found growing in Asia, particularly the northwest region of China. However, you can also find them in Korea, Vietnam, Tibet, and Japan. Did you know? Traditionally, goji berries are used in Chinese medicine. It is believed that they can tonify the yin of the liver and of the kidneys, brighten the eyes, and moisten the lungs. Goji berries are from the Solanaceae family, or also commonly known as the nightshade family. That family includes such members as mandragora, potato, tomato, eggplants, and the petunia. In one daily serving of 1 ounce of goji berries, it's been said that you'll actually find more vitamin C than oranges and more beta-carotene than carrots. You might be wondering to yourself, what's the flavor profile? Good question. Some people say it's actually a mix between a cherry and a cranberry, a little sweet and a little sour. Young goji shoots and leaves are harvested and labeled as a leaf vegetable. There is so much that you can do with goji berries. For example, goji berry soup, tea, put them in cereal like raisins, or in smoothies. You can also buy them in a bunch of different forms: fresh, dried, in capsules, and powdered. In just 5 tablespoons of goji berries, that's about 28 grams, you will find 112 calories, 1 gram of protein, 0 grams of fat, 3 grams of fiber, and 24 grams of carbs. But that's not all. Goji berries also contain vitamin A, vitamin C, selenium, copper, riboflavin, iron, and potassium. They may help in protecting your eyes, provide support for your immune system, promote healthy skin, help stabilize blood pressure, and may help in improving depression, anxiety, and sleep. I know, you're probably going to ask me, are there any side effects? Another good question, people! Goji berries may trigger allergic reactions in some people and sensitivity to sunlight. And due to the amount of selenium in goji berries, some researchers believe it might be best for pregnant women to avoid eating them. And that is it from me to you about goji berries. What would you like me to talk about next? Leave a comment down below. But until then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.